Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to help you guys how to learn algorithms. So an algorithm can be defined as a finite sequence of instructions for solving a problem. To understand this better, let's go to code.org. I'm going to click on sign in. Sign in with your account. Let's go to projects. Click on view full list and click on frozen. So as I told, an algorithm is a finite sequence of instructions to solve a problem. So now our problem is that I want to draw a square. How will I draw the square? So the action we go to actions, we move forward by 100 pixels, turn right by 90 degrees, move forward by 100 pixels, turn right by 90 degrees. Let's see what happens. It draws only half of a square, so we need to do the same 2 times. Move forward by 100 pixels, turn right by 90 degrees. You can even select the block and copy paste it. I'm going to do the same. So now let's run the code and see. Yes, it's making a square, and as algorithms is a sequence, but if I had done it like this, I'm just putting it as a random. It's the same code, but I'm putting it randomly. Now I've put it random. Let's see what happens. It's drawing a shape which we didn't want. So now, as you can see, the problem was we need to draw a square, but I'd use the same code, but then I didn't give it in order. So an algorithm is very important to solve a problem in coding. Not only in coding, even in your day-to-day life. For example, an algorithm to go to school. You wake up early in the morning, dress up for your school, pack your school bag, have breakfast, and board your bus. But if I would have done it like I first packed my bag, I board the school bus, and then I woke up in the morning. That's not possible, right? So algorithms are very, very important. And thank you for watching my video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you very much. Bye for now. See you in the next video.